How to use the interactive reading platform. To start the platform with the datasets of all available notebooks, click on the link under All Notebooks. You can also start the platform with the dataset of an individual notebook by using the links below the title of each. In the full text view, which is the default, you can see the content of each notebook. Persons mentioned in special roles, such as speakers or interlocutors, have been coded with certain colors. If you hover over a tagged name, the platform will show you the role. If the China Biographical Database contains information about a person, his name will be underlined. When you click an underlined name, this information will be shown on the right side, if you have closed the index bar. To visualize the information expressed through the markup code, you have to go to the table view. There you will see a broad range of information on all persons mentioned. To make a bar or a pie chart for a column of your choice, drag the column to the area under the section header is. In this example, we have visualized the number of persons mentioned in roles such as authors and speakers, as displayed on the column Role and Entry, in a bar and pie chart. You can also visualize two aspects in one graph. If you want to see how the roles are distributed between the different notebooks, drag the columns Role and Entry and Book Title into the specified area under the section headers. The resulting charts will look like this. If you wish, you can filter certain data for any column. In this example, we will set a filter to display only those persons who are mentioned as authors. To do so, click on the arrow in the column Role and Entry. Deselect the items you want to filter out and click Filter. Filtering in the Roles section will have an effect on all other sections as well. This means that in this example, only those persons who are mentioned as authors will still be displayed in all other sections. You can remove filters individually with the Clear button or by clicking Reset in the upper right corner. While in the table view, you can click on the CBDB ID, if available, to show further information on the person. Clicking on the name of a person will trigger a search for all marked occurrences of this person in the text of all notebooks. Finally, you can visualize the geographical distribution of mentioned persons with the map view. You can map their basic affiliation in the Basics section, or the address of their official position in the Posting section. When you click on Map View, a map will open. Depending on the section you have opened in the table view, it will either display basic affiliation or posting address. With the icon in the upper right corner, you can furthermore switch between a cluster map and a heat map. In the cluster map, you can click on the locations and filter persons connected to this location by clicking on the place name. For further details, see the description on the website for the book.